Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making some lit, also known as pork blood curd. You can find this in Piak, in Khao Poon, in Kua Mee, and so many Lao dishes, but I think it originated in China. This might surprise you guys, but it's actually really simple in order to make this. So you just need pork blood, salt, and water in order to make the blood coagulate so it can form a jiggly jello-like texture that you can see in the container here. And then of course you want to boil it, so I just released it from the container by running my knife around the edges, and then I cut it into 4 pieces. I then transferred the blood into a separate bowl so I can see exactly how it looks like now that I cut it up. It's hard to see in the container. After that, you just simmer it in water for about a half an hour. I just want to make sure that it's not raw in the inside, so that's why I do it for that long. It's your final product, so you just want to run it through clean water so you can get all the impurities out of it, and that is how you make lid. It's really simple, but it's very fragile, so you have to learn how to work with it, but it is very rewarding at the end because I love this stuff in my kapoon. Thank you guys so much for watching.